Nice long, fairy friends. Welcome to Fairy Academy. I am Fairy Princess Lolly, and today I am going to be working with you on what is called the form of the key. And a form is a motion that we make that helps us to do a certain thing. In this case, that thing is to open the gates to the realm of fairy. The first thing that you should keep in mind is that when we talk about the realm of fairy, we are discussing the hidden realms, the enchanted realms, and one of the best ways to get there is through the uses, the visionary uses of our minds and imagination. So for today's form, you can use a real fairy key if you have one. That is perfectly acceptable, but you do not need one. Some people might just like to have that for themselves. Take a deep breath, and the first thing we're going to do, if you were to imagine holding your hands just like this, is what we would call like a namaste position. This is the crossed keys, the sign of the crossed keys, and I have the key right in between my hands, as you can see. So cross your hands like this. You want your left hand to be on top, which I know might seem intuitively a little bit backwards, but you'll understand why in a minute. And as we do this, we say to ourselves, either out loud or in our minds, that Widdershins means turn to the left, and for opening things, this is best. Take a breath here and just imagine yourself opening the archway or gateway that you are going to now step through and enter into the magical realm. If you are with a group of people and you have several that want to do it at the same time, you will all start like this. Widdershins means turn to the left. For opening things, this is best. And bring your hands down and to the side as if you are making a circle with one another. Not holding hands or touching unless that is something that you are okay with. Okay? And you can bring it full circle if you like. Now, there's an old country saying that you should never leave an open gate. So, similarly, when we are done doing whatever we are doing across the hedge and in the realm, and we are ready to come back to wherever we were, then we want to also close the fairy door and lock it. So we're going to start in the opposite position of how we were, like this, and then we'll bring our hands like this, with our right hand now on top, and Juiso means turn to the right. When closing things, lock up tight. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a wonderful day to everybody. Bye. You can get this printable spell and the full lesson by joining my Patreon family, or the individual components are in my Etsy store.
Hello friends, this is Gun for Hammerhands. Thank you for checking out Fairy Princess Lolly's channel. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. Use your troll hammer to ring that little bell icon to get notifications when she posts future videos. And if you'd like to support these magical creations, fly over to our Patreon and join the fairy family. Safe travels!